Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Figma in Visual Studio Code. Start by installing the official Figma for Visual Studio Code extension from the marketplace. This crucial first step connects your design and development environments. Once installed, you'll need to log into your Figma account directly within Visual Studio Code. This establishes a secure link, allowing you to access your design files and collaborate efficiently. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments to complete. With the extension set up, you can now open your Figma design files right inside Visual Studio Code. A dedicated panel will appear, allowing you to easily navigate through different pages and frames of your project. You can inspect individual design elements, viewing their properties like colors, fonts, and dimensions. This provides a comprehensive overview of your design without ever leaving your code editor. One of the most powerful features is generating code snippets directly from your Figma designs. You can easily get CSS, HTML, or even React code for selected elements, significantly speeding up your development workflow. Additionally, export assets like images and SVG files with just a few clicks. Copying text content and its associated styling information is also incredibly simple, saving you valuable time. This integration greatly enhances collaboration between designers and developers. You can stay updated with real-time design changes, ensuring your code always reflects the latest iterations. The extension also allows you to add comments and feedback directly within Visual Studio Code, fostering seamless communication. This synchronization of design and development efforts leads to a much more efficient and cohesive workflow for your entire team.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.